Paytm is seeing a string of senior level executives quitting. Shares of Paytm fell just over 4% today on 6th of May after the digital payments financial services firm announced the resignation of its COO and President Bhavesh Gupta through a regulatory filing. Now, Gupta's resignation comes just as the firm is set to announce its annual and fourth quarterly results. Gupta resigned from his position at the company citing personal reasons. This marks the third senior resignation from the company in the past few months. Gupta's resignation follows, as I mentioned, a series of high-level exits at the company after RBI took action on its associate entity, Paytm Payments Bank, in January this year. Exits at the company include resignation of Paytm Payments Bank Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Surinder Chawla in the month of April. In the same month, Sumit Mathur, the company's Chief Marketing Officer, also quit the company. Meanwhile, today, Paytm has also announced the appointment of Rakesh Singh as the new CEO of Paytm Money, while Varun Sridhar, the existing CEO, has been appointed as Chief Executive Officer of Paytm Services Private Limited. All in all, there's a rejig happening at Paytm, whether that's a result of Paytm Payments Bank license, which is still existing at the moment, but the services at Paytm Payments Bank being revised, not allowing to continue services as normal. And what's really happening? Let's understand that. Kartik Malhotra here with me. Kartik, hi. We're looking at a lot of rejig that is happening at Paytm Payments Banks and Paytm as a company. Some of it was expected.
I'm not sure how much of this was expected, because you actually don't see old-term employees and senior level exits happening in the quick succession as we have seen in the case of Paytm. And this, of course, the timing of this is incidental simply because we know the harsh action that RBI took on Paytm Payments Bank Limited, and whether all of this is a fallout of the fact that perhaps the senior management understands that there isn't really a revenue driver left with the company right now, a significant revenue driver. I'm sure they are making revenue through advertisements and whatever other value-added services that they may be providing. But a bulk of the business which would come from the Paytm banks is now pretty much seized of any operations. So a slew of exits, one after another.
I hope Paytm is not looking for a fall guy amidst all of this.
I don't think it is being reflected as if people at senior
Everybody
levels
is citing
are being
personal
sacked.
reasons.
Right. It's not seeming, at least the commentary coming from the company does not seem like these are pink slips being issued or people being sacked and a blame really being pinned on them. I don't think Paytm has done that. I doubt it will do that as well, but that's a personal opinion, of course. But I think, the larger question is that if senior level management folks are exiting the company at a time when the license and the company's fate both, hang in suspended animation, do they know something that investors don't know? And is that the cue that investors are taking by selling off their investments in Paytm, and that resulted to the stock hitting lower circuit in midday trade today? Or is there the fact that the license is not cancelled? Is there some possibility, some stretch of imagination here? Is there some possibility that perhaps Vijay Shekhar Sharma would be able to get RBI to come around and tell RBI that, we have fixed all the issues, all the lapses of persistent non-compliance, and now an independent audit may be conducted. And if everything is working out to the satisfaction of RBI, then can Paytm Payments Bank spring back to life? The fact that the license is not cancelled just as yet.
Right. So that is, of course, something that will happen in future. We don't know. It remains all, suspense at the moment. But Paytm Payments Bank, will it come back? Will it be able to revive or not? We don't know. A string of senior level executives are now quitting. There seems to be some sort of rejig at Paytm, and the stock, of course, hit a lower circuit today.